Welcome back, heroes. This is Sub-Zero back in another video just for all of you guys. Oh my gosh, man, I did it, y'all. I finally did it, man. And I did it just for all of you guys, all my supporters. And like I said, we're doing a community build, guys. But that's right, y'all. Just as the title says, I went and purchased my dream wide body Varis kit from Japan, y'all. That's right, it's authentic. It's gonna be built in Japan. It should take between 4 to 6 months to get here, but I already went down and purchased it, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how it's going to look. And I've already started a poll. It's going to be the very first poll that we're doing as a community for this channel to building this dream car. I've already got so many amazing things and partnerships lined up. We're going to be partnering with Bulletproof Automotive out here in Los Angeles, California, to doing the full build, full molding kit. We're going to do some videos to show you guys exactly how to install this, to mold it, and just all the parts and just the quality and everything that goes into building an authentic Varis wide body kit from Japan. When you guys watch the videos, make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys leave a comment below what I can do to improve the videos. If you guys like it, if you don't like it, some things you guys want to see upcoming for the channel. Every like and every comment helps boost the channel, helps boost me to be ordered to give back to you guys. Like I said, I was planning on buying my GMC 2500 turbo diesel truck, but I decided to hold that off and go ahead and go all in with you guys. I'm going all in with this channel and you guys to give you guys the content that you want. So like I said, all I'm asking you guys to do is go ahead and hit the like button, hit the comment button, subscribe, and push the notifications bell in order to be up to date and see everything that we have going for the channel. Those that aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead to my page, my community tab, and see my posts, because I am starting to do the polls like I was saying in order for which parts we're going to be doing. I'm going to be getting to that later in the video. But until then, guys, let's enjoy the video. Let's get it. Peace.
Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car till you get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault. I done doubled up.
That's right, y'all. All those parts have been ordered and already been bought, and they are going to be coming here hopefully in the next half a year or sooner. Like I said, y'all, we got the wide body kit, carbon fiber edition, we got the diffuser, we got the hood, we got the canards coming in, we got the wing coming in, we got the wing mount coming in, we got everything coming in, the third brake light coming in. A lot of parts and wheels and tires will be coming. But like I said, heroes, this is going to be a community build. We're doing this all together. So the very first poll has already started. It's going to be on which wheels am I going to get. The two wheel options, one are going to be the TE37s, the SLs, and they're going to be the matte black and red option. Or two, it's going to be the Advan GT wheels, all white edition. So just like the wheels that you guys saw in the trailer, it's going to be exactly those wheels, or we're going to go with the TE37's matte blacks. Now right here, I'm going to give you guys a number so far of my Instagram posts and my YouTube posts from today. And we're going to be doing these polls all the way up until Friday. So Friday is going to be the last day, guys, for you guys to go ahead and vote when I do these votings. And whoever wins, I'm going to show you guys the polls, I'm going to show you guys the numbers and give you guys up to date. Whoever wins, I'm going to be buying. So like I said, this is a community build. Whichever one you guys vote for more is going to win. You can vote more than once if you guys see these polls. So make sure you guys go ahead, check out the Instagram, check out the YouTube, and go ahead and do that. Comes to the Varis kit, like I said, it's an authentic kit. It's going to be fully built out, guys. It's going to be exactly pretty much how you just saw in the demo, other than the wheels might be slightly different, but the paint scheme, the color scheme, everything is going to be just like you guys saw it. Now, what I'm going to be doing in the next few days is I'm actually going to be going to Subaru to officially place the order on my 2021 Subaru WRX STI, guys. I already went on to the website. I already built it out myself. I already got exactly what packages I want to get, what additions, what upgrades I want to get from factory, as far as, you know, I want to get the speaker system. I want to get a few things, the Alcantara steering wheel, just a few minor things. But we're going to go ahead to go to Subaru so I can officially place the order so that can start getting built as well. So there will be about a gap of maybe 3 to 6 months where I won't be having the car, but I'm going to be giving you guys lots of content between then with the Subaru WRX until I sell it or trade it in. So that's another reason why I want to get the Subaru WRX back, so that way I can have Subaru content for you guys, because like I said, this is all for you guys. You know, this Subaru content I'm creating, you know, I was going to move on from Subarus, I was going to go on to other things and maybe come back down the road, but like you guys have been asking for, and like I've been preaching, this channel is for all of us. All of you guys have been taking